Alright, so today we're going to make our first skateboard in a long time, and we've got a new prototype way of making them. So let's get gluing. When you're gluing boards, time is of the essence. All in all, this is the first try, so let's see what happens. And we'll check back in 2 days. Alright, so it's almost been 2 days, so let's see how it's gone. I mean, it went alright, but not perfect. Let's cut it out, see what we're working with. So there's the shape. Pretty good, pretty happy with it. The glue is pretty good. It's just, if you look, if I can get the lighting right there, there's a bubble, and on here as well you can sort of see a bubble there. So essentially that's just air between the layers of ply, so, and there's nothing you can do about that. So all in all, this will just be a kind of a board where I'll stick on top and trace to get the shape right. Apart from that, I just got to figure out how to make sure it doesn't bubble. So I think that comes down to clamp pressure, and yeah, we'll just see how we go, really. Not a fail, but a learning lesson.